Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this remote start. This is out of a Mercury Mountaineer, but Fords also have a very similar setup. Here's what you need. You need a 1220 battery. You need 2 of these. You can get these off Amazon, really inexpensive. And there's a link below in the description that will take you there. And then also, as far as opening it, a very small screwdriver like that will do the job. Alright, so there's not any really clear area to open this up, so I like to go on the back here. And again, the thinner the screwdriver, the better. So just kind of work your way around here with that thin screwdriver, and you pop a few of those, it can come out pretty easily. Alright, so there's your circuit board. Go ahead and use your screwdriver to get that out. And the 2 batteries have like a little sleeve on them. So push that out. And there's your 2 batteries. See, they're like in a sleeve. Alright, so take out the old batteries and then take your new batteries, put them back in that sleeve. Plus side goes up. Push that in there. That goes like that. And that goes there. Give it a good squeeze. Give it a test run. Good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.